If you've ever wondered how to launch a professional, attention-grabbing email campaign using HubSpot, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and send your own targeted emails, from designing the message to scheduling delivery, all within HubSpot's intuitive platform. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to create your email. So inside HubSpot, start by going to the marketing menu, then head over to emails. You'll see a button labeled Create Email. Go ahead and click that. Right away, HubSpot will ask you to choose the type of email you want: regular, automated, or even a blog RSS. Think about your goals here. Are you sending a one-time newsletter, setting up a follow-up sequence, or curating recent blog posts for your subscribers? Picking the right format will make sure you're reaching your audience in the way you intend. Next, you'll choose a template. HubSpot has a nice selection that covers everything from announcements to event invites, or you can start from scratch if you want something totally custom. Don't be afraid to try a few and preview how they look. The template is basically your email's skeleton, and it'll help you save time. Now, once you're in the drag and drop editor, the real creativity begins. Take your time adding sections, images, buttons, and text blocks. If you want your emails to feel personal, HubSpot lets you include personalization tokens, a nifty feature that lets you automatically drop in each contact's name or company right into the body of your message. For example, starting with "Hi, first name" creates a sense of connection, much like speaking directly to each reader. As you're styling the email, choosing colors, fonts, and arranging content, think about what will grab your recipient's attention and encourage them to take action. Don't worry if you're new to design. HubSpot's editor is built for non-designers, so you can focus on the message rather than getting lost in the details. All right, let's set up the email settings next. Switch over to the Settings tab. Here's where you define who the email comes from, both the sender name and email address. Make sure your "from" name is a familiar, real person's name instead of something generic like marketing@company.com. People are much more likely to open emails from a human than an automated system. Then, craft your subject line. This is one of the most crucial elements. A strong subject line can make the difference between getting opened or ignored. Try to keep it concise, relevant, and maybe add some intrigue if it fits your audience. Also, don't forget about the legal and trust elements. Set the right subscription type. HubSpot will help you stay compliant. And check that your footer has all the required information, like your company address and unsubscribe link. If you've already set up a broader marketing campaign, you can associate this email with it so you can track results more easily. Just hit the Setup icon and choose your campaign from the dropdown. Now it's time to choose recipients. In the Recipients panel, select the lists of contacts you want to target with this email. Maybe you're reaching out to all customers, or perhaps only those who opted into a specific offer. If you want to exclude certain lists, like people who haven't engaged in a while, you can do that here too. This keeps your campaign focused and relevant. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to send to an engaged audience than a massive list who won't respond. Almost there. On to sending or scheduling. In the Send or Schedule tab, you decide if you want the email to go out right now or at a specific future date and time. Scheduling is fantastic for hitting your audience when they're most likely to check their inbox. Maybe first thing Monday morning, maybe late afternoons. Before you send, always use the test email feature. This step catches things like typos, broken links, or formatting issues that are easy to miss on screen. When you're ready, click Review and Send, double-check everything one more time, and then hit Send or Schedule to launch your campaign. That bit might take a moment, so don't worry if HubSpot spins for a few seconds. And that's it. You've just set up a professional email campaign in HubSpot that's ready to get results. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical marketing guides. If you have any questions or want help with a specific campaign, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love helping viewers out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your emails.